just finished work and we are going to get Ow! Right into my cheekbone. So we're gonna get Korean barbecue. Here. You can see or not?
You simply only.
Where's Simply?
Hello.
So I woke up early for her.
Yay! Finally.
Today's Sunday, so usually I should be sleeping now. But I woke up early for her
and
and
Hero.
Yeah. We are at Desa City. It is a dog park. So there's so many doggies. I'm so excited. What do you want?
What are you thinking?
He wants a tiramisu, so we can
Which
try.
tiramisu? Because there's one out.
Oh! 有两个好，我打电话给他问他。Hello. We just got done with lunch at Kenny Hills and we are now at the mall going to get some groceries and other shopping done.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Lou and thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe and the bell notifications. So yeah, So today is a very interesting day because, long story short, we won a pre-wedding photo shoot giveaway, and it's going to be in Desa coast. And today we are going for the fitting of our dresses and the suits. So, hey, I'm so excited. We are finally gonna do our pre-wedding photo shoot, and it's going to be awesome. So, yay! So before I head out, I wanted to quickly show you my new home decor. And ta-da! So these are kind of like Nordic vases, and I got these dried lavender and these pine cones. And this little jar is actually there's reed diffuser essence inside. It's the Muji one. Obviously the Muji one doesn't come in this little jar. I kind of changed it up. So yeah, it was my husband's idea actually. So yeah, I like the aesthetics. It's cute. The sponsor of the dresses is Celine Uy, and we are here at her shop. Oh, it looks really nice. We are looking for a gift for our friend Cedric, and he likes pad thais, so we are at a pad thai shop. So he likes The Simpsons, and apparently he likes this character from the game called Borderlands called Club Truck, so Sid is choosing this too.